ever wondered how plants survive without eating like we do? They don't order pizza or cook rice, but they still make their own food. In this video, we'll explore the magical process called photosynthesis, the secret behind every leaf's power. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. It happens mostly in leaves thanks to green pigment called chlorophyll. Think of chlorophyll as tiny solar panels inside the leaf. To cook up their food, plants need three main ingredients. Number 1, sunlight, captured by chlorophyll. Number 2, water, absorbed by roots from the soil. Number 3, carbon dioxide, taken in from the air through tiny pores called stomata. Inside the leaf, these ingredients go through a chemical reaction powered by sunlight. The result? A sugar called glucose, which is the plant's food. And guess what? Oxygen is released as a bonus, so we get to breathe thanks to plants. Photosynthesis doesn't just feed plants, it feeds the whole planet. Herbivores eat plants, carnivores eat herbivores, and we eat both. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Now you know how plants make their own food. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science fun, and share it with your friends. Stay curious and keep exploring.